Hi guys, press the bell button and then subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a painting, and this painting is a galaxy one. And we're going to do the galaxy painting on this board, and I will show you all the colors are dark blue, light purple, light blue, pink and white. And I'm going to use sponge to cover up the board. Let's start. I'm done putting the color on the board. Now I will tap that. I add some blue, dark blue and black. Now I will add some pink because it's after it get dry, I will add some stars. So guys, this is how it looks like when it's dried. I will add some stars from a brush. And this brush is not using, so don't take a brush that is not used. I will dip it in the white paint. Then it should be like this. Then we have to do like this.